This is elevator 3 at the District Apartments in Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is also a brand new Schindler 3300 XL. 2-speed doors, hospital size, tall counter, just like one in building 2. Unfortunately, all the floors are locked, so yeah, Adam's gonna call me back up. And we can tell him 1 hour, then he'll call me back up to 5. Where, oh, this one's 45. I think wasn't the other one 5,000? I don't remember. This one's weird. So I think it was installed a while ago, but it didn't get the permit until June 2022, and it didn't enter until like last month in October. Here, 1 hour. See, all of these are locked. It's a basic stainless steel cab. Inside like some other ones. That's a nice wood vinyl floor. The 6-hole lounge is under construction. This one's a squeaky. Number 5. There it closes, and that's going to be it.